Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Investing Sucks, and welcome to the first video that's going to kickstart this whole channel. And here I just want to briefly talk about what this channel is going to be and what's its mission and why I'm making it and what I think viewers overall will get from it. So I'm making this video as of March of 2021, and we're at a turning point in the investment industry. And I believe it's a turning point where, due to the advent of things like zero commission trading platforms like Wealthsimple and Robinhood, we're seeing accessibility to the financial markets at an all-time high because there's essentially zero cost to entry, right? Anyone with, 10 bucks can basically make an account and start investing. And this is what's leading to markets becoming increasingly speculative and risky and emotion based and leaving a lot of retail investors very exposed. Now, I've been investing my own personal money for several years now, but I'm by no means an expert. However, I would say that I'm more privy to the risks that underlie certain investments, and it seems that there's a lot of young people entering the financial markets that are just buying up whatever company they recognize or whatever's familiar to them, not really understanding the risks inherent in the actual business and the value versus price trade off, and not even taking the time to learn about an industry before throwing money at it. So, yeah, I truly believe that in 25, 50 years from now, we're going to be looking back at this time period as really the beginning of widespread retail investing, where we see an attitude shift, where people start to realize that really the way you build long term wealth in a capitalistic society is through investing and reinvesting your dividends and compounding interest and the like. So that's why I'm making this channel. Yes, it's going to be a stock discussion type channel, but I really just want to have conversations about business strategy and risks facing businesses that I think aren't being had enough. So I don't want to get super technical with anything. I'm not going to be looking at options or looking at MACD graphs or volume amounts. I really just want to have simple conversations with whoever decides to watch on, like I said, business strategy and risks, and also where we think the markets are going in the short term, but more importantly in the long term, because that's really where the money can be made. And yeah, just keep things simple. That's the main thing. Investing can really suck sometimes when it gets too complicated, and that's not what I want to do. I want to keep things simple. And another thing is, I tend to see people relying on what's in the financial news a lot, and personally, I rarely ever read financial news because it just seems as if the goal of financial news is just to manipulate public opinion about a stock, make it go up, make it go down. And if you can control the media, you can control the minds of the public, which is very profitable when you're talking about stocks. So, not going to get all conspiracy theory in you guys. I swear I'm a reasonable person. But I really just hate seeing people enter financial markets thinking without a plan, really, and thinking that you can just buy whatever you want, make a fast buck, and then sell it. And then it goes down, they sell at a loss when things don't go right. People get frustrated and then just quit, which is not the way you want to go. So I mainly want to focus on companies that are a bit easier to understand, not the meme stocks, not the ones constantly in the news. And now I will talk about those a bit because they are important whether you like them or not, but the main focus will be looking at a variety of businesses that the average person can understand. And yeah, taking a value investing type approach, which is difficult in today's markets because, as we know, stock prices are generally high due to asset price inflation, interest rates being low, among many other things. But there's still opportunities out there. There's always things being overlooked. So yeah, what any viewers can expect is just simple, informative conversations about various companies and how they're performing in relation to their value. I do plan on making educational type videos for those who want to learn how to value companies and how to assess business strategy. I've already got some videos lined up in the works specifically on some companies I find interesting because I believe in the long run, business strategy just trumps everything, whether when it comes to investing. You can look at technical trading data all you want, but having long-term success comes down to identifying the best companies in the best industries and being able to buy into them at reasonable valuations. So, very simple investing approach. Do your research, stay within the realm of your personal understanding, know the risks, filter out all that noise that exists, and come up with your own opinions and have a strong conviction when you choose to invest in individual companies. And know the risks, know the risks. It's rewarding when it's done right, but the opposite when done wrong. So yeah, there you have it. That's basically just a general intro. I'm going to start releasing videos in the coming days. no real expectations for this channel, hoping it goes well, hoping I get good feedback. So if you do find this content interesting, please consider subscribing. Leave a like also if you'd like to. And if you have any questions about investing, I've left my email in the description, so feel free to shoot me an email. And yeah, that's pretty much it.